Hey, this is my take, and I'm John Kavakis. Today we're going to take a look at Stamp's brand new 1980 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. You know, there are very few nameplates in the automobile world that carry the mystique of the nameplate Eldorado. It's exotic. It's the height of class. It was distinguished, yet somehow the Eldorados were always a personal type car. Owner driven, they might call it over in the UK. Just the name alone makes a statement. It conjures up images of ancient civilizations, cities of gold, and untold luxury. It's just, the Eldorado just says everything you need to know about it being a Cadillac. But the only thing that can improve anything as far as that nameplate is concerned is to add the word Biarritz onto it, the end of it. It only adds to the panache. All of a sudden we envision stainless steel tops, suicide doors, bespoke interiors, all sorts of really neat stuff. The Eldorado has always been the top of the line Cadillac ever since it was introduced in 1953. That carried right through that incredible 1957 model that was handmade, imported body panels, and all sorts of really neat stuff. Suicide doors, beautiful interiors, and that carried through the mid-60s, where they were full-size cars, but they were fully equipped, fully optioned out, and that led to the landmark 1967 Eldorado front-wheel drive. What a beautiful machine. What a statement it was. It was just absolutely incredible, and that theme carried through to the mid to late 70s. But by the mid to late 70s, you know, the size was up, power was down. The Eldorado was a little bit in danger of becoming a caricature of its own self. Then in 1979, Cadillac introduced a downsized model, and it was a stunner. Incredible proportions, long hood, short rear deck, bladed fender tops, those skinny tail lights in the back. They even brought back the stainless steel roof. It was all to harken back to the Eldorado glory days. And man, they did a great job in it. And that they continued to refine that and refine the features and everything all the way through 1985. And the 1985 model is the one that Stamp has chosen to model. Now, they're given to us in 3 different colors. And here they are. I've got all 3 of them. You'll be able to see them on the turntable. But the colors available are light sage metallic, medium blue metallic, and medium gray metallic. All of them are emblematic of the time. Let's get them on the turntable and take a look at them. I think you're going to be pleased with what you see. I'm a fan of the paint. This is no different. The paint is lustrous, it's deep, it's very well done. They worked hard to get the stainless steel effect on the roof, and I admire their dedication to accuracy. It pays off because the models look great. Put the calipers in the model, it comes out to an exact 1/43rd scale, but more so, they got the stance exactly right. There's that very subtle dip towards the front and the rear that the 1/1 has, and Stamp has captured it perfectly. All the trim is done to scale, beautifully rendered. The grille is wonderfully textured, the lensing, the side lights and everything, very well detailed. There's these small details that make Stamps really stand out. Look at the detail on the wheel covers, the wheel covers themselves, the emblems in the middle, and again, those side marker lights, just amazing detail. Here's a look in the interior, a wonderfully detailed dash. You can see the gauges are picked out, door panels are highly detailed, steering wheel wonderfully replicated, fantastic detail inside and outside. There they are, all 3 of them. All the details there, all the craftsmanship is there. And I got to tell you something, the value's there as well. But you're going to see a little bit of an uptick in prices. I'm seeing these at $139 or so. That's probably a reflection of the tariffs. When I receive my shipment from Stamp, I usually have to pay about a 10% tariff. It hasn't gotten too much more than that. But we're seeing a little uptick in prices, almost solely due to the tariff. So you're going to want to check with your dealer before you get them. These are beautiful models. They're going to go quickly. Call your dealer right away. I think Stamp is on a roll. They're doing a great job. They've had a couple of challenges lately. This tariff not being the least of them. But they're doing a good job. And I tell you something, they're committed to giving really high quality, high detailed, even at the higher price of $139 or so. They're still a really fantastic value. So that's Stamp's 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like down there in the right hand corner. Love to have you as a subscriber. I've got more videos coming. Thanks for tuning in.